Hello, this tutorial will walk you through the class notebook, which is basically an online digital notebook that all students have access to if their teachers are using that as a delivery for instructions and materials. It's automatically set up in their teams' classrooms. And like I said, some teachers are using it, some teachers aren't. But if your child's teacher is using it, I want to show you what it looks like and some of the features that they will be have access to. So let me show you. So in Teams, a student will see all their classes in tiles or grid form like I have here or in a list form depending on their layout. And to get to a class notebook is pretty much a digital notebook that's already set up for them in each of their classes. Now, whether or not each teacher is using it depends on that teacher because some teachers are using different areas and different programs to present their lessons. But the teachers who are using it, their students should know, and then they can find it very simply because class notebook is a tab at the top of everybody's Teams class. Like I said, whether your teacher is using it or not, it's going to be up there. And then Class Notebook is basically an online digital notebook for our students and teachers to work together. It has three sections: a collaboration space where the students work together with the teacher, where there's like not just one answer, it's a collaboration discussion or topic or activity. There's a content library where lessons and quizzes may be stored for them to look at. And then each child has their own individual notebook, which is their space to do their work. Now, you don't see all these things right now. You have to click on this little symbol right here, which to me looks like some books on a bookshelf. And when I open that up, it breaks it down to those three sections we talked about. The welcome page is where we are here. The collaboration space would be anything that the class has been doing together. So, for example, we did a Leader and Me collaboration where all the students watched the video and we talked about it together. Content library is where any lessons that have been posted should be listed here so the students can see the different lessons they're doing. And then each student, like I said, has their own individual folder where the same lessons that might be discussed, they have their own where they can open up and work on it themselves, just their copy. And then they will turn it into their teacher. And their teacher can see their work. So when they do their stuff, the teacher can actually see their work and how it's going. Now, what you're seeing though here is not the same for every teacher. Every teacher who uses Class Notebook has it set up the way that works for them. So, for example, I'm going to go to Mr. Drake, who I know uses Class Notebook as well. And so it'll have the same basic features. Like this is his welcome page, which kind of breaks down the same information: content library, collaboration space, notebooks. Click on the little books. There's three sections again: collaboration space, content library, but it's going to look different. It's going to be based on what he's provided. So he has, oh, no notes in there yet, collaboration space. He has a content library section where you can see he has substitute plans or class information. He even has his daily agenda. So if parents don't know, where he's supposed to, parents or students don't know what they're supposed to be doing, and they're when they have electives and things of that nature, he has some of the how-to videos that we've been providing to you guys listed here. And then once again, for each student, they have their own individual activities. So for him, he has a classwork, a do now, a hands out, exit tickets, and quizzes. And so this is specific to that one student. And so when they're working on it, it would be only their assignment. Nobody else sees it but that child and the teacher. So hopefully this is a tool that will be helpful. Like I said, not every teacher is using this because teachers do have the option of using what works best for them and their students. But if your child's teacher is using Class Notebook, just make sure you understand how to navigate all of the sections. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.